The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Russell County in central Kansas, Martin County in central Kansas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bison, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: quarter-sized hail has been reported in Ash Grove in Marsh County with this storm. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Great Bend, Russell, Hoisington, Wilson, Claflin, Lucas, Pondy Rock, Dorrance, Albert, Olmutz, Millbrigger, Bunker Hill, Galatia, Susank, Great Bend Airport, Russell Airport, Cheyenne Bottoms, Wilson State Park, Wilson Lake, and Odin. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 177 and 205. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Martin, and Russell.
This is a test. This message is for people in
There's a test.
only. At approximately 7:20 p.m. today, a routine test of the Salem Hope Creek Nuclear Generating Station's siren system was conducted.
Hold up.
Officials from the New Jersey Office of Emergency Management advise that there is no emergency at the Salem Hope
What is
Creek
this?
Nuclear Generating Station. For additional information, the public may call the New Jersey Office of Emergency Management Public Inquiry Line at 1-800-792-8314. Or refer to their Salem Hope Creek PSEG Emergency Plan Information Calendar. Delaware residents should contact the Delaware Emergency Management Agency or refer to their Salem Hope Creek PSEG Emergency Plan Information Calendar for further information. This is a test.